वाहेगुरु। ताती वाव न लग गई पार ब्रह्म शरणाई, चौगिर्द हमारे रामकार दुख लगे न पाई। The hot winds does not even touch one who is under the protection of the Supreme Lord God. On all four sides I am surrounded by the Lord's circle of protection. Pain does not afflict me, O siblings of destiny. Unit 10, Haloalkanes and Haloarenes, Part 2, by Amrik Singh, PGT Chemistry. Nucleophilic substitution of alkyl halides. Okay, a substitution reaction takes place and halogen atom called leaving group depart as halide ion. Since the substitution reaction is initiated by a nucleophile, it is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. Let's have nucleophile is attacking to CX and X is leaving, and nucleophile is taking the position of X, that is halide ion. Therefore, this is an example of substitution reaction. Substitution reaction of alkyl halides can occur by two types of mechanisms. First one is SN2 mechanism. Second one is SN1 mechanism. Dear student, today we are going to discuss SN2 mechanism of substitution reaction of alkyl halides. Yes, we have given a table in which there is in first column reagent, in second column we have nucleophile, and in third column we have substitution product, class of main product. Therefore, we in the first slide gave you the general substitution reaction with Nu as nucleophile. In the second column, we may have the various types of nucleophile and their reagent are given in column number first. These reactions will produce the substitution product given in third column, and their name is given on the fourth column. These can be done very easily just to substitute Nu nucleophile by the reagent. Now SN2 mechanism. We have alkyl halide and a nucleophile as OH negative. OH negative can attack only from back side, because from the front side it is repelled by Br negative. Br have partially delta negative charge. Therefore, it decreases the probability of OH negative to attack from front side. Backside attack is shown here, and we will get a transition state in which the bond between carbon and boron is weakening, and the bond between nucleophile, that is OH negative, and carbon is forming. As shown in the diagram, bond formation and breaking takes place simultaneously. Transition state is there, and then at the last the bond between carbon and OH is formed, and the Br negative ion departs, and in this way SN2 mechanism completes. We have seen there is inversion of configuration. Main points of this mechanism: in SN2 mechanism, bond formation and breaking takes place simultaneously as the reaction progress, and the bond between the nucleophile, that is OH negative, and the carbon atom starts forming. The bond between carbon atom and leaving group weakens. The carbon atom in the transition state is simultaneously bonded to 5 atoms and therefore is unstable and cannot be isolated. There is no involvement of reaction intermediates, that is carbocations, carbanions, or free radicals in this reaction. Backside attack, main point, we have to remember the SN2 mechanism. Backside bond formation breaking takes place simultaneously and inversion of configuration is there. Now next point, since this mechanism require the approach of the nucleophile to the carbon atom bearing the leaving group, the presence of bulky substituents on or near the carbon atom have a dramatic inhibiting effect. Point number 6, of the simple alkyl halides, methyl halide allyl react most rapidly in SN2 reaction because there are only 3 small hydrogen atoms. Tertiary alkyl halides are the least reactive because bulky groups hinder the approaching nucleophiles. Point number 7, the order of reactivity followed is primary is most reactive, then secondary, and tertiary is the least reactive alkyl halide in this SN2 mechanism. Now we discuss the stereochemistry of SN2 mechanism. Okay, the configuration of carbon atom undergoing under attack invert in much the same way as an umbrella is turned inside out when caught in a strong wind, while the leaving group is pushed away. This process is called inversion of configuration. Inversion of configuration. Stereochemistry is inversion of configuration. We have some homework also. We have the first question. We have two alkyl halide. First one CH2Cl is primary alkyl halide and second one is tertiary secondary alkyl halide. In the following pair of halogen compound, which will undergo SN2 reaction first? Obvious, it is CH2Cl, the first one, and the second one will be the less reactive because it is the secondary alkyl halide. In all the questions, we will just have to identify the type of alkyl halide, whether it is primary, secondary, or tertiary, and then we can easily answer all these questions. Dear students, I am also providing you the answers. Please do all these question answers. If you can face any problem, then contact me. These are the question answers from NCERT textbook and may be asked in the examination. In every year, one question comes from SN2 or SN1 mechanism in the final CBSE examinations. Dear students, thank you for attending my lecture and showing the cooperation. At last, I would like to read one quote by Baba Freed, Sajjan Mere Rangule, Jai Jites, Jai Sutte Jiran. My playful friend have gone to sleep in graveyard. That is, they are died. They want to message that nothing is permanent in this world and only the true one God is permanent in this world.